Hey, what's up? Looking at multiplying polynomials. This strategy is the standard algorithm. So um, before I get started, think about how you kind of normally multiply, right? So I would do 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15 plus the 1. Then I put a placeholder, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, and then you add those rows together, right? Okay, so that's called an algorithm. And now we can do the same exact process, even if it's polynomials. All right, so let's check this out, what this looks like. So standard algorithm, I want to have them stacked. So sometimes I call it the stacked method. All right, so I'm going to do x plus 5 and x plus 3. So we're stacking them. I'm going to tell myself times. I don't want to use an x here because that would get really confusing with my variable, right? So I want to note somewhere, though, to tell my brain this is multiplication so that we're okay with this, right? I could put the x plus 3 on top. It doesn't matter because it's multiplication. I could go either way. We'll get to the same result. All right, so just like in regular multiplication, I'm going to take the 3 times each number on top, and then I'll do the same thing with x. So 3 times 5 is 15, and that's positive, so I'm going to put the plus, and you'll see in just a moment. 3 times x is 3x, and this is why I like putting that plus there, because now I have an expression, and I know the signs on it, okay? All right, so we did the 3. And now I do the same thing with x. So x times 5 is 5x. I'm going to stack that under the like term. So there's my 5x. X times x, sorry, that was positive 5x. X times x is x squared. And now I'm going to add the rows together, just like standard multiplication, right? So this is going to be x squared because there's no other x squareds. At 3x and 5x makes 8x. And then I have the 15. That's your standard algorithm. All right, let's try it again. So first I'm going to stack my two polynomials. So I have 2x minus 2 and x plus 11. Again, you could stack it the other way. So this is times, just all these things to cue my brain into what I'm doing, right? All right, so 11 times negative 2 is negative 22. Mind your signs. 11 times 2x is going to be positive 22x. I'm done with 11. Now I'm going to do the x times everything. So x times negative 2 is negative 2x. I stack that under the x's, like terms. X times 2x is 2x squared. And I'm going to add the rows together. So that's going to be 2x squared. 22x minus 2x is positive 20x. And then I have the negative 22. How are you feeling about that? Right? Just like regular multiplication. So what did I have variables? Don't let that throw you off. Mind your signs, mind your exponents. Those are the biggest trip ups. All right, remember 3x squared is the same as saying 3x minus 1. I don't think I said that. 3x minus 1 squared is the same thing as multiplying it times itself. That's what I meant to say. All right, so let's stack. So 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. All right, this is multiplication, telling my brain what I'm doing. Really easy to slip into other operations. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Done with negative 1. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Put it with the like terms. 3x times 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. And add them together. 9x squared. 3x, negative 3x and negative 3x, negative 6x. And we got plus 1. There's our product. Okay. Same thing, even if it gets long. We don't stress out about it. Same exact process. Okay, there's just more to multiply. I like to put the longer polynomial on top. Just makes my brain happy. So x squared plus 3x plus 1, then 2x minus 4. So we stack them. Tell myself times, right? Multiplication. And we just go. Okay, start with the negative 4. Negative 4, watch your sign, right? Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. Negative 4 times x squared is negative 4x squared. Done with negative 4. 2x times 1 is positive 2x. Put that under the x terms. 2x times 3x. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared, and that's positive. 2x times x squared. 2 times 1 is 2. X times x squared becomes x cubed. Exponents and signs, watch those. Biggest mistakes. All right, add the rows together. 2x cubed. Negative 4x squared plus 6x squared is going to be a positive 2x squared. Negative 12x plus 2x is negative 10x. And then I have the negative 4. There's my product. And that is using the standard algorithm to multiply polynomials. Pretty cool.